Hi, this is David Kino at MicroQuant, and this is the free video for Monday, April 20th, 2015. So I'm looking at Netflix today. A lot of the market did not move too much. A little bit of a bullish move, but we've just actually moved higher and just stayed elevated. Now, the one stock I'm watching here closely is Netflix. After earnings last week, jumped up higher, proceeded to move higher the rest of Thursday and into Friday, consolidated in Friday. Now, what's very interesting is on the 60-minute chart is that there is a double top based on the high of Friday, and then here the high of today. Now, we've come down basically most of the day, and we've actually made a good portion of our funds today in our trading room, trading Netflix to the downside. Now, but what's interesting is Netflix is now sitting on this support level at 563.78. That corresponds to the low on the hourly chart right here about 3 o'clock on Friday. Now, you can see there's a good amount of downside momentum here, and MQ Python bars are quite negative. So what I'm actually looking at, if you look at where we're sitting, if we can break and make a sustained move to the downside, the next reasonable support level, other than the 21-day EMA, is actually right here, the low of the bar after the gap, and that is right around $530. Okay, $530 is $33 away here. So if we have a break and a movement on the hourly chart of a significant downside momentum, reality, the move is first to 550 and down to 530. That's a $13 move and then a $33 move. That is what I'm calling a miniature big fish break, because a $30 move on a Delta 70 option can be roughly $2,000 a contract. So the trade would be on a first big fish move would be to establish a credit spread up here, maybe around 575, and then establish a position in Delta 70 puts in Netflix for a quick pullback over the next week to maybe a week and a half. I say that, but I really truly believe if it does break and it pulls back, it'll be very quick. Now, I would only do this trade, I'd be careful with this trade if the market goes sideways. I would be cautious on the trade and maybe not even do it if the market continues to be bullish. And if the market starts to break down and starts to come down, then I wouldn't really hesitate too much and do that trade to the downside. But again, keep an eye on Netflix. That's a miniature big fish trade to the downside. Again, my targets are 550 and then 530. So take that, run with it, and good luck trading.